Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today I've got something different, but kind of the same. These are the Funsound 01 true wireless earbuds. Now you can pick these up from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description in case you want to check them out. Just a heads up, the Amazon link is an affiliate link, so if you use the link to make a purchase, I'll receive a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. So in this video we'll unbox these, check out the features and specs, check out the build quality, see how they fit, and more importantly, see how they sound. And I'll let you know what I think of them. So inside the box you get the usuals. First thing, you get the user manual. You get a charging cable, which is a USB-A to USB-C. And you get some additional ear tips. You get four pairs total on this one. Medium is installed from the factory. As always, make sure to try out each size so you can make sure that they fit you correctly and that you get the proper seal so you get that nice sound. And lastly, you get the earbuds. Now the case is made out of a hard plastic, which is matte black and has a smooth texture. In the front here, you get some Funsound branding. At the bottom, you got your USB-C port for charging, and they feel very lightweight in hand. Now the earbuds are a stem design. They are made out of the same plastic material as the case. The bottom here, you've got your charging pins. Unfortunately, there's no left or right decal, but on the outside of these, you've got some Funsound branding, which I think is a nice touch. Now as far as build quality of the case and the earbuds, they feel solid, but again, it's made out of plastic, so you can't really expect much. You still want to take care of these and try not to drop them. Now the earbuds are IPX7 water resistant, so no problem working out in these and getting them sweaty. Or if you're outside and you get caught out in the rain, no problems with that. You can't take these into the shower, or you can't swim in these, so don't do that. Now the earbuds are Bluetooth 5.2 and they've got an operating range of 33 feet or 10 meters before they start cutting out. The charging case takes about 2 hours to charge, and the earbuds, you get 8 hours of playtime on a single charge and an additional 30 hours of playtime when using the case to charge, giving you a total of 38 hours, which I think is awesome. And as far as the earbuds goes, it takes 60 minutes, 1 hour to fully charge them up. Just a heads up though, with ANC on, that's gonna change the battery life on these. But with a total of 38 hours, I think you should still see at least 30, or even in the high 20s would be awesome. So these earbuds have active noise cancellation and can block out unwanted noise up to negative 25 decibels. And I've tried them out and I think they work great. Now the earbuds are touch control. They've got touch sensors, so you can pause, play your music, adjust your volume, skip tracks, answer calls, and to access your voice assistant. Now the fit on these are great. They are lightweight and I have no pressure points. I wore them for a couple hours and I felt no fatigue in my ears. Now as far as sound goes, these sound great. They've got 10mm drivers, so they offer a lot of bass, but not to the point that it overwhelms the mids and highs. They are pretty well balanced. I listen to a variety of music, from classical to pop to hip hop to dance type beats and things like that, and the earbuds sound great when listening to those genres. And I also listen to podcasts and watch YouTube videos and Netflix with these, and they also work great with that. There's no lag, everything syncs up nice. But unfortunately there is no game mode on this one, but for casual gaming, these work fine. Now let's pair this with my phone. Make sure you've got Bluetooth turned on your phone, have the earbuds nearby, open the lid, and you'll see the earbuds start flashing red and blue. Once it starts flashing, that means it's in pairing mode. Your phone should see it. Once your phone sees it, hit connect and you're paired. Now anytime you want to use them, all you got to do is put them in your ears. They'll automatically connect and you're ready to roll. Now before I forget, let's do a quick mic check. Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo doing a quick mic check on the Funsound 01 True Wireless Earbuds. Microphone check 1, 2, microphone check 1, 2. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think they sound alright. So some final thoughts. My only negative complaint on these is that sometimes they lose connection with your phone and you have to repair them. But other than that, they're great. Right now these are going for $34.99 on Amazon. And then there's a $5 discount coupon that's on there as well. So for 30 bucks you get IPX7 water resistant. You get 38 hours of battery life. Great fit, great sound. And active noise cancellation. So if you're in the market for a new pair of earbuds, or you're just wanting a second pair, I'd strongly look into these ones. You get a lot of bang for your buck. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.